everyone. In this session, we are going to learn how to create a front-end application with help of React. As we knew, React is one of the popular front-end framework here. So React application creation. So to create any React application, we use a simple command here like create React app, create React app, and then hit application, whatever the application we want to create, that application we have to mention. So to do this, first we have to create one folder where we want to store our React application. First go to the particular folder and open that folder, and there you just do it, create React app through command prompt. Okay, so now already I created one folder here. That folder name is something like some visual path folder here. I hope you are able to see the folder now. Yeah, so this is the folder just created in B drive, and I would like to open the command prompt, and there I want to go to that address folder, that is E. So here I want to create React application, right? So if you want to create React application, just now let create React app, and then which application we want to create, that application we have to mention. So I just want to create one simple application where the list of movies will be there, and for them we'll be applying some filtering, that is like searching and as well as sorting that one. Okay, so just I'm creating one name here for that application, that is movies list. Press enter, so that will be created under visual path. It will take some time. Okay, and meanwhile we will see here, if you take any web-based application in this world, so definitely two systems will be involved. That is a server system and as well as a client system. So the small one I consider a client system, and this one is a server system. Server system usually be located in the remote places, and client systems are nothing but the desktops, laptops, mobile phones, tablets which we are using. All can come under client systems. So to connect with this server, there will be one web application will be there. So through which we will be sending some request continuously to the server, and that request will be taken by the server, and the request will be processed, and as per the request the respective response will be generated, and the same response will be sent back to the client from the server. If all this has to happen in this client, definitely what we'll be using something like browser will be using, and inside that browser we'll be opening the application. Whatever may be the application you might have created, that application will be opening in the client's browser, and through which will be connecting to the server. Right. So in our particular application, we are going to create a small React application, UI application where with some details will be displayed here, and searching will be happen, as well as searching also will be. So that I'm just taking an example here. That is, so in our application, what will be doing here is, first we'll be creating our React application. Right? So in that, the main module will be there. The app.js will be there. That all the things will be displayed here. Whatever you want to display, that will be mentioned here. The main components whatever we create, that will be directly linking to this one in this app.js, that will be displaying. next important part here is will be creating something like some searching filter will be creating for the movies, that is movie search filter, searching filter. You can write whatever you want here. So I just want to click on file like movie search filter. So in this particular file, I want to search the movie and as well as I want to sort the movie. If I want to search or sort the movie first, there should be movies there. The number of movies should be there with some details here. So for that, what I will be doing here is first I will be preparing one ready-made list of movies with particular details here. So for that, I just would like to create a JSON file which is a predefined data, which will contain some predefined data here. So in this, we'll be having a list of movies will be there here. But in real-time case, what will be happening here is this data, whatever it is, whether it is movies or whatever the application will be, the data will come from some other system. That is like from the database, the data usually come. But here, as we already mentioned, starting, we are interested only in the front end here. So that is the reason I don't want to develop any database for this separately. Server side I do not want to develop. So for that to happen, if I do not develop, but still I need the data, right? So that is the reason a ready-made data source I am creating, that is a JSON file. In that I will be using the list of movies with particular details. And then how to apply some filtering on that, how to apply some sorting on that. So that I will be doing in this movie search filter.js. Using this, the main functionality I will be ready. So next I will be simply linking this particular movie search filter to this app.js so that what happens, the data will be displayed. And to have some kind of styling purpose, already we have app, right? App.js will be there. In the same way we have something like app.css. So from where we'll be getting this app.js and app.css. So once we are done with the project creation, in that project only we'll be having all these folders here. So already we started creation of project, right, by typing create react. I think yeah, it's completed now. Observe this guys here. Initialization, everything, all related packages were installed here. Right? It is showing that the hacking news. Yes, the project is created, but with no data. So now, if I want to develop something through that project, then definitely we have to open the menu of the editor. So I will be using Visual Studio Code. So directly we can open Visual Studio Code by using one command like code space dot, so that directly will be opening in the Visual Studio Code. Yeah. So here I type this code space dot in Visual Path, right? This folder. That is the reason the entire work folder has opened here. Visual Path, in that HTML, something other stuff also there. But we don't want that. This movie list is the only thing which we are concentrating, right? So then you can simply type here cd in the Visual Path. What is our project name? Just now we created, right? Movie list. And now here, from here we can able to open the Visual Studio Code directly. Now yeah, the particular project is open. So in that, if you observe source folder which is containing app.js and some test and all this test and all testing and some other purpose here. So here the important file is app.js, and app.js is the simply styling purpose. Click on this app.js and here you observe some logo and all some normal stuff will be there. So if you want to run this particular application, then just go to the command prompt. You can go there, or directly you can open the command prompt in the Visual Studio Code also. Here on the top, terminal will be there, and there you can click for the new terminal, and then you can able to do that. So I hope you are able to see this one. Yeah, right, terminal, you can click on the new terminal, and here only directly you can able to run the application. application. To run that application, we have to use a command called npm start. Just wait for a while, it will take some time to run in the browser in your system, whatever may be the default browser. In that browser, it will be starting. Yeah, it's opening, right? Yeah. Yeah. You can have a look on this guys. Edit source app.js file to save and reload. So whatever the changes you want to make in this application, you can do now. So simple. What I'm doing here is I just want to write something and I want to check here. Something is there like some text. Yeah. And save to reload something is there like here. Here I'm displaying something like hello, some text like hello. I'm just pressing Ctrl S and see here. So directly it will be reloaded. So no need of refreshing. So directly it will be reloaded. So that is the advantage of React. So now our duty is the application is ready now, means the prototype is ready for us to develop. So we have to edit this app.js in accordance with our project. That is like we have to import this movie search filter.js file in the app.js file, and then later the main business functionality we have to write in this search filter.js, and through which we have to filter the data which is coming from the movie data.json, and as well as we have to sort the data. Clear, right?